Halloween party set. So our menu, we have Halloween cupcake and vampire cookie, and we even got monster spaghetti and my favorite, eyeball David egg. Okay everybody, first menu that we're gonna do is monster spaghetti. So how to make it, we need to get 5 pieces of spaghetti or 4. I'm gonna use 5. Then make it equal at the bottom. Then we're gonna need to put the sausage inside. Then let it in to the middle. Already finished, and we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 monster spaghetti. Now we need to boil it in the pot for 10 minutes. Let's go. Now the water is boiled, so we're gonna put the spaghetti. While waiting for the monster spaghetti to boil for 10 minutes, we're gonna make the vampire cookie. First, we use the red whipped cream and spread it all over here. Then we push some marshmallow all over at the front here, all over the half of the cookie as the vampire teeth. Now we need to put it like this. So we need the red cream over here, all over the vampire's mouth, another side. So stick it on. We need the red color because it's like a flower. Here's my vampire cookie. Okay, here's our vampire cookie. So we need to first put it in the fridge first for 10 minutes. Okay, everybody, while waiting for the vampire cookie to fridge in the freezer for 10 minutes, we're gonna decorate the Halloween cupcake. Let's do it now. I gotta do the ghost. What are you doing? That. Alright. Next, I'm gonna need to put the ghost here. Now I'm gonna make my skeleton. No skeleton. I'm gonna make my pumpkin. First, I need orange. I think green first because green is the egg look like this. We need boiling eggs to make this. Now we put it inside the cup. Now we need to put the food color. Now put the water. Now we need to wait for 1 hour. Okay, everybody, the egg that we put it, we got the egg and it's so red, like the eyeballs. So now we need to put this egg. It's inside egg mixed with mayonnaise. Put it into the middle. Then we put that black thing in the middle as the black eye. Now I use black eye. Here's my red like a red. Here's our eye. Tomato egg. Where are the frogs? We didn't bring. Okay, time to use magic. Abracadabra! of rock. Let's eat. Let's eat this spaghetti. I'm gonna eat this spaghetti. The spaghetti will be here. Okay. Here, I eat you. Is it good? Finally, we got to take that sweet, right, Mr. Namo? Yes! Rich, yum yum. Yeah, let's taste. I'm gonna taste the pumpkin, the ghost, and my teeth vampire cookie. And Nemo's gonna eat his skeleton, the monster, and his vampire cookie. First of all, I'm gonna eat my rock pumpkin. Abracadabra. I'll use my monster. Abracadabra, I want the pumpkin. Here's my pumpkin. It's like a pumpkin. I don't think it's yummy. Can we taste? A lot of whipped cream. I add too much whipped cream. I add too much too. Next, we need to eat our vampire cookie. Abracadabra. Here's our vampire cookie. Yummy! I like this. Trick or treat.